Welcome to NRI Money podcast. I am Sachin Mando, the host for the podcast, and we have Ritesh Jain with us. Ritesh is the founder of NRIZEN and Pine Tree Macro. Welcome, Ritesh, to the podcast.
Thank you.
So, Ritesh, first question: what was the purpose of starting NRIZEN?
So, NRIZen was started with the purpose of helping and guiding non-resident Indians to invest in India growth story. If you look at it, post-COVID, Indian economy and Indian corporates are in a much better position as compared to economies of Western world. I think going forward, at least for the next few years, which I can foresee, Indian corporates profitability growth will be far higher than that of Western world companies. Also, I believe that Indian currency, which is already showing signs of strength, will remain steady and possibly appreciate against most G7 countries' currencies. Hence, NRIs can not only participate in India growth story by investing in mutual funds through NRIZen, but they might not have to worry about falling value of rupee versus the currency of the country where they are currently residing. So it could actually be a double benefit for them for investing in India.
Okay. So, got your point that Indian economy is doing great and we NRI should invest money into India. But then why should they trust NRIZEN for doing it?
Uh, Eastern Finance and me are co-promoters of NRIZen. So let
Okay.
me tell you a little bit about Eastern Financiers. Eastern Financiers is one of the largest investment consultants in India and currently
Okay.
managing assets close to 5,000 crore, roughly $600 million US dollar. They serve almost 250,000 customers in India,
So
0.25
they're
million,
really big.
0.25 million, yes, investors. We have a network of 21 branches and we have over 4,500 associates who offer and monitor the investment opportunities across all sectors for them in India. So they are sitting in India. They have this kind of big, kind of work, structure in India, and they are a 50-year-old company. Now, something about me. I was chief investment officer of a large mutual fund in India and has been directly managing and overseeing investments for last 25 years. So what Eastern brings to table is strong support on operations, and what I bring to table is my investment experience.
Okay. Uh, so basically, and people can read more about you on LinkedIn. I think you write extensively about economy, investments, everything.
Yeah, it is on LinkedIn, on Twitter. I have a WhatsApp channel also, where if people want to know more about what's happening, clearly in today's world, connecting dots is very, very important if you want to succeed in investments.
Okay. So, I mean, is the money that people, so one of the questions with money is that, is my money safe with you? So, if I invest my money with NRIs, then how safe is it to invest with NRIs?
So it's a very relevant question actually in today's world. NRIZen is just a platform where we have brought together all mutual fund schemes available to non-resident Indians, and even resident Indians can invest through this platform. And they've all been brought to this one platform, nrizen.com. When you're investing with NRIZen, you are just choosing the mutual fund, and the money goes from your NRE NRO account if you are an NRI, or your saving account if you are a resident Indian, directly to the bank account of that mutual fund, which issues units in exchange for your money. You will get an intimation from your bank that your bank account has been debited, and you will also get an intimation from your mutual fund that they have received the money and are in the process of issuing you the units. Same way, when you place any redemption through NRIZN, then your mutual fund will redeem your units and transfer the money to your bank account. Your money never touches actually NRIZN platform. But you can view all your mutual fund holding across different funds at one place on NRIZN, which is analytics which we've created. So we do not charge any subscription fees from investors. NRIZN gets its fees from mutual funds in which you choose to invest.
So basically, you're not pushing for any product, you're not taking in money, and you're providing analytic service on top of it, which is free of charge to the
Exactly. So
customers.
I'm bringing everything to the table. Uh, you choose if you want. I have created a curated portfolio based on my understanding of evolving structure of Indian economy. So you can choose the basket which I am actually, I have put it over there. But you can do DIY, do it yourself. So whatever mutual funds are available in India and are available for NRIs of different jurisdiction, like for Canada and US jurisdiction, only few mutual funds take money. For rest of the other jurisdictions, there is absolutely no problem. They can invest in any mutual fund scheme they want. So I brought all these mutual fund schemes on one platform.
So that's your differentiator then. So let's say there are a lot of other platforms who are also encouraging NRIs to invest, but then
Yeah,
specifically investing with you, the benefit is that there is an access to your curated portfolio. So maybe you want to talk more about that.
yeah. So basically, the difference between NRIs and another platform is that we believe that NRI investments require physical handholdings on both operation side and investment side. We have our operations and compliance teams sitting in India, and they have decades of work experience, which will help you in completing your documentation before investing. There is a little bit extra documentation for NRIs.
Yeah.
Okay, so they will help you with that thing. I am available for helping out on any investment related queries. I've also put a curated basket of mutual fund schemes on NRIZEN, which I believe will participate in India growth story. Now, even investors can also book an appointment to talk to me by going on our website and blocking my calendar, and I'll be happy to talk to any prospective investors.
And that's actually great. So we'll put the link for people trying to book into the description of the podcast
Yes.
so that you can book an appointment with Ritesh. Even if you're not looking to invest at this point of time, I would suggest talking to him once.
Yeah, simply because in my discussions with a lot of NRIs, they're becoming a little bit worried about the future of Western world, the future of their pensions, you know, and the same the same NRIs are looking at India and saying there is some change happening on ground in India. Is there a way we can participate, in that growth story? So that discussion has been happening for now last 6 months to 1 year. I believe the story is here to stay, and that is a simple reason that I decided to offer the services to NRIs.
Okay. Thanks, Ritesh. People listening in, please book an appointment with Ritesh, explore more about NRIZEN, and grow your wealth.
Thank you, Sachin.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.